just what to say to make me fall for you. Say you put me first. Heart's been beating fast, cause I know what I should do, and it isn't be with you. No, it isn't be with you. I was sure I'd never find someone to make my head spin around. No one's ever gonna be the thing I need, they all just let me down. But baby, you saved me, yeah, baby, you saved me, you saved me. You turn everything grey, clouded in navy, into new shades. You calling me, so worth the wait. Glad I was patient, cause you calling me, till I'm brand new. Looking in the mirror, I'm brand new. Everything's so different now. Pray I'm never coming back. You to think too much. Let our bodies soak in the sun. Yeah, there's no need to run, no rush. You're my caffeine in the morning. Got me feeling like I'm on top of the world. Try to impress. Baby, we're not like the rest. Oh, just sitting on the steps outside. This stillness frees our mind. You don't have to say anything. I don't want you to think too much. Let our bodies soak in the sun. Yeah, there's no need to run. You're my caffeine in the morning. Got me feeling like I'm on top of the world. Soak in the sun, yeah, there's no need to run. You're my caffeine in the morning. Got me feeling like I'm on top of the world. You're like a song that I sing in the morning on a perfect holiday. You're like the warmth of the sun on my skin when clouds look gray. You're like the joy of a trip that is coming to a place with ocean view. You're like an old familiar friend and all is new.
On a first this summer day, you're like the scent of coffee brewing in the morning. You're like the crackling of a fireplace on a chilly winter night. You're like a cabin made for two while inside is snowing.
Places like a movie scene wherever you go. And do you know that I know that you know? Do you know that I know that you know?
And when you drop one of your smiles, the sound of stars on eyes rise. Cause your laughter is the soundtrack of my life. The soundtrack of my life.
You're like a song that I sing in the morning on a perfect holiday. You're like the warmth of the sun on my skin when clouds look gray. You're like the joy of a trip.
Get your text, but you're not getting the message. You said see you tomorrow, but I'm waking up on the coast and you're in Utah. Is this working out how you thought?